When a glass of banana juice enters the body, a slow and steady transformation begins. From the first sip, the senses recognize its smooth, natural sweetness. Inside the body, the brain responds calmly while the digestive system prepares for nourishment. The heart maintains a balanced rhythm as energy begins its journey beneath the skin. As banana juice reaches the stomach, its thick texture is gradually broken down. Natural carbohydrates, potassium, and essential vitamins are released and move into the intestines. Here, microscopic villi absorb these nutrients and transport them into the bloodstream. As circulation spreads, the body responds with stability and strength. Potassium supports healthy nerve signals and muscle function, helping prevent cramps and fatigue. Muscles receive sustained energy, allowing the body to perform and recover efficiently. The digestive system benefits from gentle fiber